Hey guys, first off, I want to say thanks for following, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to cook up some deer tenderloin, macaroni and cheese, and turnip greens. All right, here we got our tenderloins trimmed and cut up by yours truly in the backyard. These are tenderloins, these are backstraps, medallions. I'm just gonna season them up both sides. This is Kinder's, the steak blend. I like Kinder's. Pretty much everything they got. The worst thing you do is overcook them. Use some brown sugar bourbon. Hit everything with it real good. The worst thing about a seasoning is to be too salty. I don't like too much salt. I think we're going to be all right with these. Macaroni and cheese. Turnip greens. Now they're ready for the fire. All right, the magic's about to happen. I got the grill set on low. This is a different beast. These are not ribeyes. Want to cook them about 5 minutes on each side. Put these little tenderloin nuggets up here on top. We'll see. I already know. A bunch of people may not know. Tenderloins, backstrap. Tenderloins, backstrap. I confuse it myself. But when you're eating it and you're processing it, there's no mistake. You don't mistake any of that. But here's the tenderloin, here's the backstrap. All right, we're ready to flip or roll. All right, we're taking them off now. I wish I could tell y'all the truth about how many minutes they've been on there, but to be honest with you, I am not setting a timer. Just cooking by know-how. And I promise it's gonna be delicious. All right, I'm sure y'all all know how macaroni and cheese taste and how turnip greens taste. But here's this deer tenderloin. It's the main ingredient on tonight's dish. Looky there, looky there, looky there. All right, let's take a bite. Money, dude. Just like Stale Cracker says it.